Funimation Learn. With fun.
Let's learn numbers and spelling.
41 FORTYONE. 42 FORTYTWO. 43 FORTYTHREE. 44 FORTYFOUR. 45 FORTYFIVE. 46 FORTYSIX. 47 FORTYSEVEN. 48 FORTYEIGHT. 49 FORTYNINE. 50 FIFTY.
Wow!
See you in the next lesson. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Goodbye.